Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling materials and making quick sketches so you can work fast. Lay down sticker paper on a stable surface. Sketch small, rounded shapes with light pencil strokes because you'll refine them later. Once done, mark crop lines and add a tiny bleed of 2-3 mm to avoid white edges. Make sure to plan sizes between 1 and 3 inches. This guides your marker detail. Use a ruler for straight borders, and keep an eraser handy for soft adjustments. You now ink and color to bring kawaii faces to life, so take your time on line quality. Trace your pencil lines with a fine-tip permanent pen, adding thicker outer lines and thinner inner details to create depth. Then color using alcohol markers or colored pencils. Blend for soft gradients on cheeks and highlights, since gentle shading sells cuteness. Make sure ink is completely dry before applying heavy color. Test a corner first. If you need, layer color gradually instead of pressing hard. You finish by cutting and sealing, which protects your artwork and makes stickers usable. Carefully cut along your crop lines using a sharp craft knife or small scissors on a cutting mat for clean edges. If you want durability, apply clear self-adhesive laminate or a light UV sealant spray. This prevents smudging and moisture damage. If something goes wrong, like ink bleeding, press with blotting paper immediately. If laminate bubbles, lift edge and reapply, while warming slightly with a hairdryer to smooth it out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.